Variables store values that can be used elsewhere in your code and represent memory locations where data is held. Each variable has a specific type, which defines the kind of value it can store. You can also use the var keyword to declare a variable without explicitly specifying its type. The type is inferred from the assigned value. Variable names typically use camel case where the first word starts with a lowercase letter, and subsequent words start with uppercase letters. Avoid using reserved keywords as variable names, as this can lead to syntax errors. Variable scope refers to the context in which a variable can be accessed. Variables exist only within the method or block where they are declared. Once the method or block finishes executing, the variable is no longer accessible.